Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable automation with Make.com scenarios, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with Airtable automation using Make.com, first, log into your Airtable account. Next, navigate to the base where you want to implement automation. Once there, identify the table you'll be working with. Now, open Make.com in another tab and log into your account. In Make.com, click on Create a new scenario from the dashboard. This will take you to a blank scenario canvas. Search for the Airtable app in the Apps section. After selecting Airtable, choose Watch Records as your trigger event. You will be prompted to connect your Airtable account. Follow the instructions to authenticate your Airtable account. Once connected, select the base and table you're working with in Airtable. Set the conditions for when you want the automation to trigger. After configuring the trigger, click on the plus icon to add an action. In the action options, search for the app you want to connect with Airtable. Choose the appropriate action you want to perform in the selected app. Now, connect your account for the app selected. Map the fields from Airtable to the corresponding fields in the other app. Review your mappings to ensure accuracy. Next, you can add any additional actions or filters if needed. When you're satisfied with your scenario, click on the Save button. Now, turn on your scenario by toggling the switch to the on position. Monitor the execution to ensure everything runs smoothly. You can check the scenario history in Make.com for any errors or actions taken. If everything works as expected, your Airtable automation is now set up. You can revisit and modify the scenario as needed in the future. That's it. You've successfully installed Airtable automation with Make.com scenarios. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.